Hello, everyone. I'm Yan, Product Director at Sherweb. Today, I'm pleased to have Kevin join us to talk about the latest addition to our product portfolio, which is SyncMonkey. And basically, it's a documentation management system. And really, when I think about, Sherweb's quest to add the best product that fits our MSP partner need, I think, SyncMonkey is really the best example out there. And I really like one of your tagline, which is built for MSP by MSP. Kevin, without further ado, I'll let you introduce yourself, talk a little bit more about SyncMonkey, what does it do, and what's the value prop also for partners?
Yeah, thank you for having me on today. My name is Kevin, and I'm the general manager here at SyncMonkey. We're a documentation solution for IT and MSP companies. So we're an online software that IT companies use to centralize most of their client data, such as documentation, client credentials, servers and devices, software, and just so much more.
Amazing, yeah, and yeah, I definitely can relate to the need of our MSP. Just myself thinking of managing just information for work purposes. It's a challenge. So I can imagine when you need to manage your customers' information on top of that. Definitely this kind of solution can come into handy. And if we continue what you just said, if we would have to pick kind of the top 3 feature of SyncMonkey, what would they be?
Yeah, so number one would definitely be our what we call the bread and butter of SyncMonkey, which is our documentation, and not just the ability to store documentation, but to create documentation, take attachments, and then tag certain users, devices, and other things within that documentation, have it easily come up on one convenient screen. I would say our second um, top feature would be our universal search bar. And the technicians can just easily bring up the company or information within that company by a few keystrokes on the keyboard there. So that's very convenient for all the technicians. And then number 3 would be, of course, our syncing abilities. So we have partnerships with ConnectWise, Ninja, Synchro, Autotask, and other PSA and RMMs that helps sync over information daily between SyncMonkey and those systems. So it makes that sync and that very easy.
Yeah, that makes sense. And I think, the key theme here is efficiency and also connectivity with all the systems, right? The MSP can be using. So one central point to manage all the information that's coming from different sources. So that's super valuable. Okay. And, Kevin, I'm also curious to know what, made, SyncMonkey partner up with Sherweb as a distributor.
Yeah, of course. Sherweb has built a reputation within the IT and MSP space as one of the top resellers in the game, and we're very happy to be working with Sherweb and to bring their clients the ability to streamline some of their operations and increase efficiencies by using a product like Sync.
Yeah, that's great to hear. I think we're super excited to have you guys on board as well. Definitely want to share our side of the story of why we picked SyncMonkey. I think first and foremost was really about the partnership. We feel if we can build a strong partnership with our vendor, that our vendor will emulate that relationship with our partner, which is really key for us. If we think more about product capacity, we did survey our partners about what would be kind of next product they would like to see on their shelves. And definitely, documentation management came as a top 5, and it became for us a strategic priority. When we were looking for the best solution out there, you guys clearly kind of win the race in terms of your product capacity. But I would say if I would like to highlight 3 key reasons. I would say the first one was really your UX, definitely fresh, streamlined and super simple, which is always something our MSP are asking for. Secondly, we really saw in you the drive for continuous improvement and innovation. We didn't want a solution that was stagnant. We wanted somebody that would kind of, improve and evolve as our MSP needs evolve as well in parallel. So you guys really demonstrated that focus and that customer centricity mentality as well, which we really liked. And last but not the least, we were charmed by your kind of overall offer and pricing structure and flexibility, which I think our partner will really like. There's 3 kind of core offering, from basic, intermediate to premium. Sherweb will be offering the 3 of them. And if not mistaken, you guys give a 15 days free trial for the premium SKU, which is really the one we recommend to our partner just for the sake of building kind of a scalable and very versatile platform for their documentation management need. And I don't know, Kevin, if you'd like to add anything on what we just discussed.
Yeah, so we have three packages: our basic, our intermediate, and our premium. And those premium packages are really geared towards MSP IT companies with the ability to store internal information, such as your employee information, internal documents and resources, as well as client information.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. And I mean, I really invite everyone looking at this video to go see in the description. There's a link where you can get a lot of details about the different offers and really the value proposition that SyncMonkey is bringing forward. We're super excited about this new integration of product. And Kevin, it's been a pleasure talking to you and discussing SyncMonkey today.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me on.
A pleasure. Talk soon. Good day, everyone. Bye.